Welcome to this short Canva tutorial series. In this series, I'll walk you through everything you need to get started with Canva for your internship at Infineo. We'll cover creating your Canva account, accepting shared file invitations, and a few other basics you'll need before you begin working. Let's get started by creating your Canva account. Step 1. Open your browser and go to canva.com. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Step 3. You see several sign-up options. In this tutorial, we'll continue using a Google account. Step 4. Select the Google account that you'd like to use with Canva. Step 5. If prompted, click Continue to confirm your sign-in. Step 6. Canva may ask if you'd like to start a free trial of Canva Pro. This step is completely optional. Click Skip to continue with the free version of Canva. That's it. Your Canva account has been created successfully, and you're now ready to start using Canva. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to accept a Canva file that has been shared with you.